Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Thermodynamic favorability is actually super simple to solve once you look at the signs of enthalpy and entropy. Let us crush this chemistry problem together. First, we need to remember that thermodynamic favorability is determined by the Gibbs free energy equation. We are looking for a negative value to prove that this specific reaction is spontaneous. Check the enthalpy value provided in the prompt. Since delta H is negative 128 kilojoules, this exothermic nature definitely helps make the reaction thermodynamically favorable at this temperature. Finally, a solid and liquid produce a gas. This increase in disorder means entropy is positive, so both factors favor the reaction. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully, trust given values, and check your steps to avoid a rush.